Two Samsung flagships, one big decision. Are you all about power and precision, or do you crave innovation and style? The S24 Ultra or the Z Flip 6? Which one rules your pocket? Let's dive in. First up, design. The Galaxy S24 Ultra continues Samsung's premium flagship tradition with a sleek metal and glass build, a massive 6.8-inch QHD Plus display, and the signature S Pen slot for productivity enthusiasts. It's bold, it's big, and it's built for power users. On the other hand, the Z Flip 6 is all about fun and portability. It's compact when folded, yet opens to reveal a vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED display. Perfect for those who want a phone that fits anywhere without compromising on screen size. The Ultra packs Samsung's best, a dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with stunning clarity, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and brightness levels that outshine most of its competitors. The Z Flip 6 isn't far behind. Its primary display is equally smooth and vibrant, but the highlight is the larger cover screen. With new widgets and multitasking capabilities, it's a mini smartphone even when folded. Both phones are powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, ensuring blazing fast performance. The S24 Ultra edges ahead with more RAM options and enhanced thermal management, ideal for gaming and heavy multitasking. Meanwhile, the Flip 6 handles everyday tasks with ease and adds the cool factor of folding tech. The Ultra is a photography powerhouse, boasting a 200-megapixel main camera, 10x optical zoom, and incredible low-light performance. Whether it's landscapes, portraits, or astrophotography, it delivers exceptional results. The Flip 6 focuses on creativity. While its dual cameras are impressive, the real magic lies in flex mode, letting you take hands-free selfies or record content at unique angles. Battery life is another area where these phones differ. The S24 Ultra's massive battery easily lasts a full day, even with intensive use. The Z Flip 6, while improved over its predecessor, prioritizes portability, so heavy users may need a midday top-up. And finally, pricing. The S24 Ultra commands a premium designed for those who want the absolute best in performance and features. The Z Flip 6 is more affordable and appeals to trendsetters and those who value style and compact design over raw power. Whether you choose the feature-packed S24 Ultra or the stylish and innovative Z Flip 6, both are masterpieces in their own right. So what's your pick? Let us know in the comments below.